Hello everyone, today I will show you how to export all images from a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I will select and save all of these images from this PDF file. Select convert option this menu bar and here you will find this export all images. Select export and select your save destination folder, and here you can select image format png tiff jpeg and so on bmp. I select jpeg. Now simply select save and see this, all of these images now save here, this one, this one, and see this my images. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.